Cannibals aren't dangerous. They're just misunderstood.
These archers will be more than just our weapons. They will be our eyes.
I have bruz. Did you hear? I don't like the sound.
They are powerless to resist.
There's nothing to do around here. One should head to the pit. See if that big oak thought of it. The news about Minas Ithil, right? We're not gonna let the Witch King's boys have all the fun.
The servants of the Dark Lord become ours.
Plenty more seas like Minas Ithil to conquer. Get your drills right, or you'll miss out on the whole stinking war. You globs better listen. I'm trying to teach you something here. A skill you'll need when you get to sacking cities.
Ring will give us an army, and then it will give us mortal. Strong as these warriors are, they cannot resist my ring.
Hear about Manbreaker? I did. Taken down by the grave. You globs better listen. I'm trying to teach you something here. A skill you'll need. What was that? To sacking cities.
Let us test our warriors.
Glory to the power you back. Got enough arrows for all of you! You will see. For the blind
Promising start, but this is only the beginning. We require more warriors, stronger warriors. also require commanders. Exceptional orcs who can do more than simply serve as fodder.
But what of this forest? It calls to us.
We must not be distracted. Building our army is paramount.
I've had enough of your mouth, Bruz. So now I'm gonna kill you. For all these orcs to see.
Always said you were an optimist. Know what that is, mate? It's about sizing up a situation that's bloody impossible and saying, yeah, all right, I'll have a go. I'm exactly the same way.
I like him.
I was at the siege of Minas Ithil. Those pinkskins, they almost held us back.
Yeah, come on, then. Too many heads. Reckon you're going to skewer me? Ah, that little sword's good for a tickle, maybe. But you're gonna need more than that to take me down! Oh, that was nasty!
Death to man!
Oh, you gotta show me how to do that!
You like that?
You wanna go for a ride, do ya? I'll give you a Stop it! Get off! Stop climbing on me! I'll punch through your eyeballs and rip down a
submit! You serve the bright lord now!
Bright Lord, Dark Lord. Same thing, really. End result's me ripping spines out, which I like to do anyway, so either way's a win.
A fine addition to our army.
Name's Bruce. From here on out, I will be your shadow. No one gets to you without my say-so.
Don't worry about my enemies. They will all follow eventually.
You want to plant your flag in Mordor, you'll need to do it deep. There's a fortress nearby. They say it's ruled by a two-headed troll big as a mountain. Deadly smart, which, I guess he'd have to be given the two heads. You take him down, you'll send a message to Sauron, and get yourself some nice new digs as part of the bargain.
I'm not going to do this alone. Gather your troops.
Will do. Oh, just make sure you let me pop his heads off, won't ya?
Weakening enemy power is important. But what is most crucial for conquest is strengthening our own forces.